What's up, guys? Welcome to Computer Technicians. Guys, after a long break, we are back with another video, and we're sorry for that because we all were a little bit busy, and we didn't get the time to make another video. But guys, don't worry, we are back with another video, and today, guys, we are going to see how can we clear as much amount of space as we can on our Android devices to get rid of all the errors that we face during downloads, or at another sometimes storing the camera photos, or sometimes downloading more videos. Guys, today we are going to see how can we clear a lot of amount of space, how can we clear all those cache data and make as much amount of memory as about 200 MB, 600 MB. It depends on your mobile phones that how much cache data that you have stored on your mobile phones. So guys, let's begin with it. What you need to do, first of all, what you have to do, I'm going to give you some tips as well to clear as much amount of space as you can. First of all, you have to follow me to get started. What you have to do, you have to go to your application managers. You have to swipe down and go search for your downloaded things that you have downloaded. Now what you have to do, you have to search all those apps that you don't normally use. Like I don't normally use this Messenger, guys. I don't normally use Messenger. You can see, guys, it's taking application of 153 MB, guys. 153 total it's taking, and it's cache data. It's a 344 KB, not so enough, but it's taking a lot. 153 MB and total is 284 MB which data is taking. I don't normally use it, so if you don't normally use these kind of apps, what you have to do, you have to just click on this clear data. On every kind of apps that you don't use, you will get this option clear data, and once you have click that clear data, you will also see that clear cache, and all kinds of options are unseen because they are already cleared, guys. And now you can see now how much amount of space I have kept. You can see from 284 MB to 153 MB, guys, how much amount of space that I have saved right now. And now, guys, swipe down, swipe towards the all. Now, guys, here you can see that all many kinds of applications that you don't normally use, but they take a lot of amount of space. Like I don't normally use is internet. What you have to do, you have to just go to internet. Now you can see, guys, it's taking a data of 2.24 MB extra data. What you have to do, you have to just clear data so that not only amount of space is there for you. So, guys, you can see the data is being cleared, and what you have to do. So, guys, you can see now internet space is cleared. It's clear data, and I have cleared a lot of space, 0.00 bytes, and everything's clear. Now you can see all those apps which you don't normally use. You will notice all these things over here. Like I don't use Memo. I'll just go. I'm going to clear data of it, and you can see now I've cleared the space of it as well. I don't normally use messengers, but I've already cleared it. Now you can see again I'm going to clear it, and I've cleared it again. Messenger is cleared. And other apps, let's search for other apps that we don't normally use. Guys, you can search like this and you can all find all the apps, but be sure that you don't click these Android signs, clear these Android signs option, because once you have cleared them, you can get different kinds of errors on your mobile devices, or your mobile won't work properly. You have to just clear the data of all those apps that are downloaded, that you have downloaded. Okay, you don't have to do the clear data of not of all those apps that are built in. Okay, this is the first tip from my side. Be sure of it. Now, guys, we're gonna see. Now we're gonna go to this option, storage, which you will find in the system card. You have to go to the storage. Now, guys, you all can see it's my normal memory data. I have an available space of 0.91 GB. I have a cache data of 73.88 MB. I have a miscellaneous files of about 0.9 GB, guys, so huge. And my system memory is taking 2.7 GB of space. Now, guys, if you want to clear a lot of amount of space, what do you have to do? You have to just clear this cache data, because it's a temporary files data that has been stored in your mobile devices. You have to just clear it off. Just click it again and again. click it at that time until you get the 00 MB over there. Now you can see it's disappeared. It means that it has been cleared. Now guys, you can see now I have a total, the space left is of 1.5 GB. I'm gonna clear more. Now I'm gonna go to miscellaneous files. Guys, be sure that in the miscellaneous files, sometimes all those they are not the cache data. Guys, be sure that they are not the cache data. They are the files. Sometimes when you cleared it, your main data can also be lost. Like, I will not clear my Bison, I will not clear Video Show, I'm not gonna clear WhatsApp because I normally use it, and because I've cleared it once, because I tried to clear it once and I lost all of my data. It was really bad, so I prefer you not to clear this, but you can clear the sounds, com.facebook archive, Video Show, Poglog, Movie Vista, or any other kind of files that you see over there, but to be sure that you don't click and these kinds of data that you normally use. Okay, so I'm just leaving them. Now guys, you can see it's still 1.05 GB, but I want this space. I want to free more space. Now guys, second tip from my side. What you have to do, you have to go to your gallery. I'm not gonna show you my gallery, but you have to do. You can go if you want to clear more space. What you have to do, you have to just go to your gallery, go to your photos, photo shoots, videos, different kind of folders, and you have to check out if the videos or photos are saved twice. You have to delete the one copy of that file. You have to delete one picture at least. Like if I am taking off my picture and it's still two pictures, what I have to do, you have to make it one if the pictures are same. So like this, and clear all those pictures that are not of your use, because I've also cleared it and I got a really amount of space. But guys, there's still many people complain that they are not getting that much amount of space. So what's the problem, guys? So today we are gonna focus on this as well. I'm gonna show you how can you clear more amount of space by going in deep into the system of your Android devices. You have to go to your My Files. You have to go to your downloads tree. You can see, guys, once you have first of all, I'm gonna show you, like if you clear any app from here, sometimes you delete any app. You guys think that it's installed, its data is free. It's not like this, guys. It have its folder installed, pre-folders installed that sometimes not get deleted, and they become as temporary files. What you have to do, you have to just clear them from the files that I'm showing. If you have downloaded from an unknown source, you can clear the data from here. Like I'm having all these papers that are not, all these files that are not used, so I'm gonna clear it off. I'm gonna clear this as well. I'm gonna clear this, and I'm gonna clear all these. Guys, you can see I've cleared it. So now, guys, once you have cleared it from download history, it doesn't mean that you have cleared the space. Now guys, you have to go to your device storage as well. Here you can see here is also a download folder. You have to clear all the spaces from here. Guys, you can see, and I'm going to show you a difference. Guys, you can see here download history. My latest download history shows that I'm only having these two files, but the temporary files in the device storage, just check it out, guys. These are all the temporary files that are made in your system deep into your system. You have to just go inside them and clear them all to make a great amount of space. Now I'm going to show you how can you do that. You can see I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need these all the temporary, nothing, temporary, and clear. You can see, guys, my whole previous files are stored in here, which I never thought would be here. So guys, you have to do it. Now I'm going to show you the directory where you can find it. What you have to do, you have to just find your apps, go to your My Files, search your device storage. Local in the folder of local storage, you'll find this device storage. You have to clear it, and you will find over here this option, downloads. You have found it over here, and now you can see I'm having no downloads here. Now same you have if you have an SD card. Same you have to do in SD card, guys. But I've already cleared it, so I'm having no files in it. And now second thing you have to do in this folder, you have to go back to device storage. You have to find this option, Android. Find this option, Android. Go to your all files. If you find any folders, like if you like previous videos I showed you, like in previous videos we showed you how to download Vivo Video. I deleted from my mobile Vivo Video. But still, if you have deleted that Viva video from your mobile and you file that com.vivavideo kind of file in here, you have to just delete it because it's of no use. Like here you can see com.gameloft.cloft raham. It shows that this file was one of the Gameloft games that I'm not having installed on my mobile devices, so I'm gonna just clear it off. Clear this. 3016, I don't know it. I'm gonna clear it off. No need of it. Same you have to do with the data. If you find anything mischievous over here, you have to clear it, but you have to be very sure that you don't delete some kind of videos or some kind of files that are really of use. So you have to be very sure of it. If you are too small to understand it, you have to do with the help of your elders, okay? Don't try it on your own if you are not getting it, okay? So this is another tip from my side. So you have cleared this side as well. Now you have to go to the same with the SD card. You have to find Android, you have to find OBB. I've already cleared it. Speed racing, I don't need it, so I'm gonna delete it all. I'm gonna do. Guys, sorry for the pauses that I'm making. I'm sorry. Let's get to back. So guys, here you can see in SD card I'm having another file, top free games that I don't use. It's a mischievous file. You have to delete it off. You can find these temporary kind of things. You can clear them off, but I'm not clearing because I think I'm having some of my important files in it, so I'm not clearing it. You have this backup folder, just leave it as it is because this is backup files. Now you have media. If you're gonna clear it, like you can search for media. There is nothing in it, so just leave it off. Guys, if you find any kind of folders empty, you can clear them as well because they are the temporary folders that are made in your device. I don't have Viber, so I'm gonna delete this folder. Not in my. Just only see, you're gonna see media, user photos. I'm having my files in it, but I don't use Viber, so I'm gonna just clear it off. No need to just keep these. We have downloads option, we're gonna just leave it as it is. We have DCIM folder, these contains your pictures and everything, so we are not gonna touch it. So guys, and now you're gonna see from here the videos. Guys, you can see here is the video options, all the videos. Guys, if you find from here any video unnecessary, you can clear it out because the videos normally take a lot of amount of space and I don't really want this thing, so I don't need this video. I don't need this video. I don't need this video. I'm gonna clear it off. So guys, I'm cleared it off. So let's see guys now how much amount of space I have made in my mobile device right now. Go back to storage. It's calculating everything. It's calculating. Guys, check it out guys. I have made 1.12 GB guys. Previously it was 1.05 GB. Now I have made 1.12 GB. So guys, this was the method that I applied to get as much amount of space as I can. And guys, one more tip I want to show you. Sorry for that, I did not show you earlier. Guys, if you are having a bigger SD card, kind of 16 GB or 32 GB or 8 GB will also work. If you are in these kind of SD cards and you have downloaded those apps that are taking a lot of storage, so what you can do is you can, like FIFA Mobile is taking about a lot of space, you can move them to SD card. You can see guys, here I have moved one of my apps. I have moved Candy Crush Saga, I have moved Messenger. Okay, so to clear your device storage, to make more storage in your device, you can move your files to SD card as well. You can move your photos and videos to SD card so that your device storage gets empty. And because you need to just keep your device storage a little bit more in space because normally when you're downloading things from the Play Store or somewhere, you have to keep them clear. You have to keep because they doesn't store the files on the SD card. They need a device storage file to be empty. So you have to make more storage in your device storage. Okay, so this was another tip from my side. I hope this would really help you guys. So that's all for today's session, guys, and I hope you would really get help from it. If you got help from it, so please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want more from our side and want others to get help from it, you just need to click that red subscribe button, and for the next time if we post any other video, you will not gonna miss it. You will definitely going to see it. And please don't forget to comment down below the interesting topics that you want us to discuss on this channel, and we really need your support to build up this channel. If you are liking our content, please click that red subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and other family members. Till then, bye bye guys, and stay tuned for more.